Hello, girls and boys. Ready? Let's begin.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we just came to know about new Geo laptops and we will share some details about the laptop. So stay tuned till the last and don't forget to like, share and subscribe VIDETOR. As we know, Intel recently picked 0.39% quietly stake in Geo platforms for Rs 1894.50 crore, making it 11th investor to pick up the Reliance Telecom and digital business, and also gives the Geo boost in 5G technology backed by the power of AI. Now coming to the main part, Geo laptops. The rumors are everywhere. Geo will soon launch a budget laptop comes with Intel Pentium quad-core processor and 13.3-inch display size. Price is not fully confirmed, but it will be less than 20k. The laptop is a 4G LTE type laptop, and surprisingly there is a SIM card slot which supports VoLTE. Operating system is gonna be Google Chrome OS, which is different from Microsoft. 13.3-inch Full HD display, 4GB RAM, 64GB of eMMC and 128GB of internal SSD. And the processor is Pentium quad-core and VGA camera inbuilt graphics card are available. Its weight is about 1.22 kg. Body is gonna be metal body which is magnesium alloy. And in terms of connectivity, it will come with two USB 3.0 ports, one micro HDMI port, one micro SD card slot. We all hope that Geo will announce the new Geo laptops very soon. So that's it for now. With more information, see you in the next video. Stay safe.